Pawan Hans Recruitment 2024 for Associate Helicopter Pilot. Pawan Hans Recruitment 2024. Pawan Hans, under the administrative control of Ministry of Civil Aviation, has released notification for Associate Helicopter Pilot posts on its official website. Check notification PDF, eligibility, age limit, selection process, and other details here. Pawan Hans Recruitment 2024. Pawan Hans, under the administrative control of Ministry of Civil Aviation, Government of India has released notification for Associate Helicopter Pilot posts. Employment News March 23 to 29, 2024. Under the recruitment drive, a total of 50 positions for Associate Helicopter Pilot are to be filled. Interested and eligible candidates can apply online in the given prescribed format on or before 30th April, 2024. Candidates should note that the Associate Helicopter Pilots will be offered appointment and emoluments based on their endorsements and flying experience on helicopters. As per the short notice released, the package emoluments for Associate Helicopter Pilots ranges from 1.50 lakh rupees to 4 rupees and 50 paise lakh. You can check all the details regarding the Pawan Hans recruitment drive, including eligibility, age limit, application and selection process, salary and other details here. Pawan Hans Helicopter Pilot 2024. Important dates. The Pawan Hans Limited has uploaded a detailed notification including the application schedule on its official website. You can apply for these posts after visiting the official website. Pawan Hans Recruitment 2024 vacancies. A total of 50 vacancies were announced for the recruitment of Associate Helicopter Pilots. You are advised to check the detailed notification for updates in this regard. Pawan Hans Helicopter Pilot Notification PDF. Candidates are advised to read the official advertisement properly before applying for these vacancies announced. Download the official notification through the link given below. Link in the description. What is the Pawan Hans Pilot posts? Eligibility. Candidates willing to apply for Associate Helicopter Pilot should possess the required educational qualification and other eligibility parameters to apply for these posts. Educational qualification. While applying for the post, the applicant should ensure that he/she fulfills the eligibility and other norms mentioned in the notification, as on the specified dates, and that the particulars furnished are correct in all respects. You are advised to check the notification link for details of the educational qualification of the posts. Pawan Hans salary. The Associate Helicopter Pilots on contract basis will be offered appointment and emoluments based on their endorsements and flying experience on helicopters. The package emoluments for Associate Helicopter Pilots ranges from Rs 1 lakh 50,000 to Rs 4 lakh 50,000. Steps to apply for the Pawan Hans posts. The direct link to access the application form with the application process is available on the official website. Link in the description.